Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. As the title of this video says, I'm going to show you how to manually receive time signal on a Gshock GWM-5610U. First, I'm going to start the procedure of getting the time, then I will explain how it works while the watch is receiving the time signal. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, press the lower right button once the watch shows us the last time it received time signal. From there, we press and hold the same button for about 2 seconds until we hear the beep. Now the watch is trying to get the time signal. Be aware that this procedure can take up to 15 minutes depending on your location and environment. We have to place a watch somewhere where it will be able to receive time signal. If it's indoors, the 12 o'clock position has to be pointed to the window. In this case, I'm outside, so it's gonna be easier. Problems also may occur if you are amongst buildings, metal objects, or in a moving car, near high voltage lines, construction signs, and so on. But most importantly, your home city has to support time signal reception. Signal strength is shown on a scale between L1 and L3, and it takes about 10 seconds for signal to stabilize. RCVD in top corner will flash while the procedure of receiving the time is in the progress. Once the time is received, it will stay on. If the watch cannot receive time signal, error code will be shown in the top right corner, and that means you did not receive time signal. Some of the parameters just were not okay. Also, bear in mind that time signal reception is better at night. And when the watch receives time signal, the date and time when the signal was received will be shown on the screen as well as RCVD in the top left corner. And all is left to do is to go back to your standard timekeeping mode by pressing the lower right button once. Thank you very much for watching. And if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.